Mr. Assistant Speaker. Question below me, Minister below mining. Question below me is simple. Imi looking was imi started finish Pogora mine. Now imi as a country we are starting to benefit thanks to Prime Minister and the team for a good job on the negotiation, and now imi start looking kake blongen. So state now work kisim tax benefits of me on behalf of the people and the Enga provincial government. Me like ask him, Minister, inaplo you hurry up him display work along CDA, hurry up him so that online below imi can or people in the provincial government can benefit. Over 1 year now, CDA complete. I think there is a perception, Minister, through the Speaker, that there's some cake to be cut. Now, man will wait, stop. The expectation will build up here. Talking more MRA, hurry up him now. He can sign him this last CDA. Thank you.
Mr. Minister for Mining.
Thank you. Mr. Speaker, I think question sort of a statement question in response to Governor. CDA process former ministers starting finish. We've come to the conclusion part of the CDA, and the last process happened in consultation with local leaders, including himself as Governor of the province, all Arapla district members. So that's been done, and now Mipla for the CDA go State Solicitor's Office will go through, and then I think this week it has come back to us, which we will table before Cabinet, and then Mipla finishing process. So I apologize for the delay, but all process taken to ensure that everyone was consulted in the process, including new POGA as well, and then you make an issues on top of POGA. So some of the initiatives and I thank the Police Minister also for settling some of the issues in law and order issues instead of POGA. So a lot of complicated issues Mipla put him together, and at the same time consultative process to ensure that when we arrive at the point where we conclude in CDA, everyone was consulted. So the Governor is correct, and if there's perception there's something to be cut, I think most of those commercial discussions have been finished. Now it's just consulting more local leaders, consulting more district members, Governor himself, including a lot of ministers who were involved in said law, coming in the settling progress. So, Governor, I can assure you and our people of Enga that by this week, once the draft comes from the Office of State Sol and come to Mipla, I will waste no time in bringing it to Cabinet, so all our good leaders in Cabinet can approve, and then we can have the process of concluding and signing off on the CDA. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.